sensational? Wait a minute. Okay, y'all. Let me calm down. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kai Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by moi. I purchased this unit with my own coin. Now, before we get into this install, just know your girl had to do a little bit of razzle dazzle to get this unit on her head like this. So if you are a big head girl, stay tuned, okay? Small head girls, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you this one's for you. But my big head girls can rock this wig just as well, okay? Now, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
What did I say? Did we get her together or did we get her together? Listen, if you have never tried synthetic wigs or you don't rock synthetic wigs, listen. This is your sign right here to go ahead and try them because sis is sitting. You hear me? So this unit is from Sensationnel. It's part of their Butta Lace series. This is the unit. Where's my card? I can't find my card. Wait a minute. Look at me, all hype and can't find nothing. I know it's here. Here it is, right under the daggone. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Sensationnel. It is part of their Butta Lace series. This is the brand new unit by the name of Loose Deep 24 inches. I got it in the color Balayage Caramel, and the price of this unit is around $55 to $60 depending on the site that you choose to get her from, as well as the specialty colors that you see right here in this big old pamphlet. Okay, so if you want to check out any of these colors like I got on my head or a natural color, go ahead and check those out. This unit comes with HD lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. I initially thought this was part of the What Lace series just based on how the card was sitting, you know how the pamphlet looks, they kind of look the same. So imagine my surprise when I opened her and I realized she didn't really have any extra parting space besides the right side part that comes on this unit. But it's okay, it did come with that Butta Lace. Y'all know Butta Lace melts down into our skin just as nice, okay? And y'all, did she melt? Did she melt? Or not. What did not melt though was that hairline. Okay, that hairline was not hairlining. It wasn't giving me the normal Butta Lace hairline, and I'm a upset about that, especially in this price point. Sensational, wait a minute. Why are you skimping? I don't like that. I don't like that. Now it does say on the card, it's a human hair blend, full bodied movement, virtually undetectable HD lace. Yeah. Okay, you give me all the lace information. There it is, pre-pluck with baby hairs along the hairline, natural and full, maximum density. Now sensational. Pre-plucked for who? Because I know on my scalp, that was not pre-plucked on me, and I'm just, Y'all saw what I did. I had to go in and pull some hair out my hairline just to get it, you know, natural to me. I wasn't going to pluck anything because I didn't want to do too much. You don't got to do, you know, the whole hairline. All you got to do is just enough so you can see where the hairline is sitting, and that's it. For $55, sensational. What's on the card? What's on the card is what I need on my head, okay? Thank you. Now, I already mentioned the cap size, but I'm gonna go ahead and say it again. This cap runs medium, real tight around my dome, okay? Some of the Butta lace units that I have tried have ran a little bit bigger than this, okay? I know when I tried the Butta lace, what was it? It was the bob one. My 23-inch dome was swimming in that cap. This one, I could barely get over my ears. And do y'all know how embarrassing it is to have a big head like this and a wig can't go on? Can you imagine what I was feeling? Huh? Can you? You can't because you got a peanut head? It's okay. It's okay. It's irritating when the wig does not fit, especially when I cannot wear my wig grip. Y'all know a wig grip keeps the unit on my head. I wanted to rock this unit glueless, but I couldn't because it was way too tight with my wig grip. So the wig grip had to come off, okay? And I had to go ahead and spray this joint down around the hairline, but me spraying it down did give me the extra melt, so I ain't mad no more, okay? But my edges were out. So I did see during my install, I took out my hair along the side here and then gelled my hair over the lace to give me those natural edges, and it actually worked out really, really well. Now, if you don't have any edges to spare, okay, and you wanna rock this unit as close as possible to your hairline, get to shifting. Or if you wanna keep the part where I have it, lift the unit up a little bit in the back because, you know, obviously the hair is down in the back. Ain't nobody gonna see it, okay? Lift the unit in the back and it'll bring that wig forward to give you more coverage on your side, okay? That's a little tricky trick that I like to do when my wigs are way too small, especially for my human hair wigs. I just go ahead and cock that joint up in the back and give me some hairline. You're welcome. So outside the hairline and the fit of the cap, this unit on me is gorgeous. Now I have seen some other reviews on this wig, and I will say this unit looks different on everyone. I don't know if it depends on the color that they choose or how they style it or what's going on, but this wig just gives me different vibes on everybody. I wanted to give myself an extra bang over here just because I felt like that would look really good on me, and I was right. I was tempted to cut this joint up to see how she was going to look, but I feel like if I cut her, she may give me too much of an old school vibe that I don't really want right now. I mean, she cute, but I feel like she'll give me like, you know, like a news anchor. Okay, I don't want Jackie, I want Marilyn. No shade, okay, no shade, but you know, that's who I want today. I'm loving how this color is looking on me. I'm real happy, okay? I'm real happy with the install. I'm happy with the wig as a whole now. When it comes to shedding and tangling, I didn't get anything, and I think that's because I use a wide tooth comb. And normally, I know I go on my paddle brush, or I use my my little rat tail joint. Where's she at? My little joint right here, which you ain't supposed to be using this, not on these type of wigs. So today I decided to go ahead and use my wide tooth comb, and y'all, it pretty much combed all the way through. When I got to the ends, I did have some snags, but nothing crazy, but no hair was pulled out of the unit when I used this comb. So maybe it depends on the tools that you use to style your wig. Y'all see that I'm learning as I go, and you know, that's pretty much it. This little joint right here, hold up. I don't want her like that. I want you down. What, you gonna pop right back. Look, the disrespect. I said, get down, goodness gracious. I didn't put no products on this hair because I wanted to see how she would react just to my wide tooth comb. And you know, I'm not mad at her. Now, if she does start to frizz up or get a little bit unruly, I would definitely suggest going in with your frizz-free curl mousse. It's in my Amazon store, link down below. Go in and use that to kind of get your curls together. Or you can use the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. But just be mindful, this serum can come off greasy if you use too much. So only use a little, like less than a dime size, work it through your hands, and then work it through your unit. On her card, she's definitely given a sleeker look. However, I wanted a more bushier, like not lived in, okay? I still wanted the curls to be intact, but I wanted a fuller look. So the more you fluff the hair up, the bigger the hair will get, and that's kind of what I wanted. The bigger the hair, the slimmer the face, okay? The flatter the hair, the fatter the face, okay? Listen. Y'all, look at the hairline. I am so proud of myself with this hairline and these edges and just the look that I'm giving, I'm here for it, okay? I am here for this. Now, what I'm not here for is the price point missing that hairline. I need the price point and the hairline to match, okay? Give me both. Exactly what's on the card. Give me what's on the card, okay? But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put some direct links for this unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.